Okay, so Carl has been a regular patient here at Empower Family Chiropractic, and Carl now transitioned over to wellness care, and just kind of want to have you talk to us about what made you think that chiropractic might be something that can help for you, and what brought you into the office.
Well, originally about 8 months ago, back in June or July, I had an immense amount of lower back pain to the point to where I really couldn't even bend over or do anything. I was completely immobilized. So at that point, I needed some sort of, relief and help. So I got the recommendation to come in here and get things straightened out.
Okay, awesome. So, and did you have any experience with chiropractic care before? Kind of talk about.
I had briefly in the past years ago, but it was only for a couple weeks, and they hadn't really informed me or given me very much outpatient material.
So one of the things that we talk a lot about in here is the benefits of regular maintenance and then wellness care, because we understand that health is a whole picture idea. So involving nutrition, exercise, so kind of if you want to touch base on what you learned there.
Right. Well, it was actually surprising to me about how many things on the outside are affecting, my back. For instance, the amount that I was sitting every day, the lumbar support that I did not have in my chairs that I was sitting in, and really just, sleeping positions and multiple other things outside of you know, the chiropractic room that helped me get straightened out and have an improved life.
hmm And then one of the things that Carl dealt with beforehand were headaches. So just really bringing in the connection of the health of the spine with overall nervous system wellness. So again, you could just touch base on
Right,
that
so that was something
experience.
as well that was very prominent months ago. I had ringing in my ears, pretty frequent migraine headaches 3 or 4 times a week. And since then, I may have one every 2 weeks. The ringing in my ears have faded since then. And yeah, that's something that's been another product of something that I was surprised about that could be affected by the whole nervous system in your spine.
Okay. Well, Carl, if there's anything else you want to mention, if there's anyone out there who you think might benefit from chiropractic care, or share any questions or concerns that you have that you've learned since being a regular patient, again now also transitioning into just maintenance, anything that you'd like to share on that
Well,
subject.
I think something that I would like to share would be that there is more than I could have ever imagined that is affected, that you can have affected by some compression in your spine. And it's very surprising. And so really learning about these things and gaining the knowledge, to take to the outside world where I can apply it has had a great effect on my life, and I've been able to give the people in my life certain advice too to help them out as well. And I could really just suggest anyone with sort of, with headaches or ringing in your ears, any sort of, back strain, to really get it taken care of now, because an ounce of prevention is better than a pound of cure. And I can genuinely say that for being here for 8 months, 9 months, that I am, completely better and, on the up and up.
And we can wrap up. Thank you, Carl. We can wrap up also by just sharing why you've decided to just keep up with just maintenance, now that we've taken care of for a while the things that you came in here for.
So yeah, just keeping up with maintenance because I care about my body and I want to keep it in a good place. And yeah, just yeah.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Carl. It's been a pleasure having you, and thanks for spreading the love.
Of
All
course.
right.